Raising Jazz is started. We have Akira's Joy break quickly to start rushing up now. What he yells at is Gypsy Queen. Then next online best man in between horses. Prodigy Asian Beauties running by the rail. Then comes Dumo Pizza. Alongside comes My Buka Spa while Chocolate. Oh, there was a spill. And there was a spill. Back to the leader, we have Gypsy Queen by Orling, Prodigy in second, Dumumpiz, and on the outside comes Best Man, My Buka Spa, number 1, Asian Beauty, Chocolate Hills, while Akira's Joy, Jackie D, El Camanyero Jr., left unseated. Then at the fourth turn, we have Gypsy Queen by Orling, and Prodigy in second, Best Man, now moving upon the outside third, and in fourth comes Dumo Peace, then followed now by Asian Beauty, Chocolate Hills as they swing for home. Gypsy Queen is still in control by about 3 lengths, and in second, Prodigy, Best Man now on the outside, running by that is Dumo Peace, Asian Beauty, Chocolate Hills. Last 100 meters, we have Gypsy Queen, and finally, from start to finish, it's Gypsy Queen, Prodigy, then comes Best Man, Chocolate Hills, Dumo Peace, Asian Beauty, and My Buka Spa.